Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Reviewability. This is Sam. Today I am going to talk about Sony Bluetooth headphones. They are meant for home theater. The model number is WHRF-400. I'm going to begin with the checklist of things when you buy the headphones and what do you find in the packaging. So first of all, this is the box that you get the headphones in. I'm assuming the packaging varies from countries to countries, so this is what I got here, and as you can see, it says WHRF-400. Okay, so it says wireless here. Okay, secondly, when you open the packaging, this is what you get, of course. Okay, so this is the headphones, this is the charging dock, okay, or charging station, charging base, whatever you name it. This is an AC adapter. I'll tell you exactly how to begin charging these headphones. And this is a mini stereo cable, so there's two ends to it. These two ends work separately, so I'll show you exactly how these are connected. This is another mini cable. This is one end goes into the mini stereo cable, and the other end, these two, they go at the back of the TV, which is in the audio jack. So the white one is for the left and the red one is for the right. Okay. And of course the battery, nickel battery. It's rechargeable. I'll show you right now how easy it is to install the battery and locate it. The reason I'm emphasizing on the location of the battery is because I've been using headphones for in the past, and it's been a challenge to find the battery, install it. So I'm going to show you just right now how the battery is found, how to locate it. So on one of the sides of the headphones, you will see it's a label. It says push down. Here it says push. Okay, so it's pretty easy. So you just slide down the cover, just push it down, and you just slide it down, and here it is. Voila, the battery is here. Okay, I'm not going to remove it because it's very easy to install. Okay, I just wanted to show you it's very easy to locate it. So, and plus it's very easy to cover. Once you are done with the installation, you just put the cover back here and then you slide it up. That's how easy it is. Okay, now let's start with the charging of the headphones. So first of all, we need to connect the AC adapter to the power outlet. Okay, all right, so as you can see, there's a yellow rim. Okay, so this yellow rim goes into the yellow outlet here, so it's pretty easy to determine. The yellow goes in the yellow. Okay, here. All right, and then, so how you know the headphones are not charged? Once you put the headphones on the top of the dock station, you see a red light popping up. Okay, so when the red light pops up, it means that the headphones are discharged and they need charging. So the charging time is about 6 to 7 hours. Once they are charged, the red light should disappear. Okay, now how to use the mini stereo cable. I'm going to show you exactly right now. Okay, so two similar ends, just like I mentioned before. One end goes here. It says here audio in. Okay, so I'm going to put one end in audio in. Okay, the other end goes in the jack cable. Okay, audio jack cable. So just like this. Okay, these two, again, they will go at the back of the TV audio jack. Okay, white for left, red for right. Okay, that's done. There you go. Okay, so the headphones are charging. Now, talking about the charging time, it takes about 6 to 7 hours to charge these headphones. Yes, I know it's a long time to charge these headphones, but it's worth it because they last for about 20 hours without needing to charge. So straight ahead, you can use them for 20 hours maximum. Okay, now in terms of the long hours of use, now because they're meant for long hours of usage, there's pretty thick padding here on the headphones. So they're meant for a couple of things. Okay, so the thick padding is basically, of course, to give you maximum comfort, because if you're in a mood for binge watching, these are the headphones. Okay, so extra comfort. They provide noise cancellation. You don't have to worry about outside noise. They also have a voice mode. Okay, so what this does is it gives you a clear sound of the program that you're watching. So it gives you everything, clear vocals, clear dialogues. Okay. Secondly, they have a dynamic technology, which means that you can listen to thunderous noises to softer pitches. So that's how cool these headphones are. You can easily tune in and zoom out, and which actually means that you can wear them and roam about your house, move around your house. You can carry on your daily chores. They cover a distance of about 150 feet, which is close to 46 meters, or in terms of yards, they are 109 yards of distance that they cover. So they're pretty cool. Yes, they're pretty cool, and I've been using them for a month, so I'm very convinced that they are actually a good choice if you are willing to watch long hours of TV and you just want to catch up on your favorite soaps. The rest of the fine details you can refer to the manual, but the manual is easily accessible online. That is basically how these headphones work. Okay, my biggest challenge when I buy new headphones is charging them, how to install the battery. That's the biggest challenge for me, and so that's why I wanted to share this with you. I'll be coming up with another product soon, which I've ordered online, and I'm expecting it to come or arrive soon. So any questions, please do write a comment, and I'll be more than delighted to answer your queries. And moreover, I have sold a couple of units of these headphones, and I must say that all my customers are pretty happy. I have had no complaints. I will be sharing the link in my description box, so please do click on the link. It's very reasonable priced. Okay, I mean, if you check it on eBay or Amazon, my price is still it's a very optimal, very minimal, affordable price. So do check it out, and I look forward to seeing you again. Stay safe, be happy, and we'll see you soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.